Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Call of Duty Mobile. First of all, launch open Call of Duty Mobile application and sign in using one of your accounts. After you are done and you are in the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right corner. Under Friend, click on the Friend Recruit option and then go ahead and click on the Invite button at the bottom. Select any one social messaging platforms available in the display. You can also tap on More and then directly select a contact you would like to invite on Call of Duty. Simply go ahead and send the message to them. Once your friend accepts your request, you can then start a match with them. So that is how you will be able to invite friends on Call of Duty Mobile. In this video, we will be learning how to auto-aim on Call of Duty Mobile. To auto-aim on Call of Duty Mobile, first of all, launch open the Call of Duty application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now, from the settings menu, go to the left-hand navigation menu and tap on Basic. Under Basic tab, look for the Aim Assist option. If the Aim Assist is turned off, make sure you turn it on by tapping on On. Auto Aim, often referred to Aim Assist, helps player by slightly adjusting the aim towards enemies. And that is how you can easily auto aim on Call of Duty Mobile. In this video, we will be learning how to know your rank in Call of Duty Mobile. Checking your rank in Call of Duty Mobile is quite simple. So the first thing to do is to launch open the Call of Duty application on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the ranked match icon at the top right. After you navigate to the ranked match, you will be able to see your rank on the right hand corner. Tap on data details and there you have successfully viewed your rank. And that is how you can easily view your rank on Call of Duty Mobile. There are different ranks for different game modes, example Battle Royale or multiplayer. The ranking system is typically divided into several tiers, that is Rookie, Veteran, Elite, Master, and Legendary. In order to improve your rank, you will need to master your loadout, choose weapons and attachments that suit your playstyle, practice regularly by consistently playing the game and improving your skills, communicate with your teammates, learn from mistakes and watch professional players. And that is how you can easily find your rank on Call of Duty within a few minutes. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to leave a clan in Call of Duty Mobile. If you want to leave a clan in Call of Duty Mobile, then here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open up Call of Duty Mobile application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you are, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the clan icon, which will be located at the bottom of the main screen. After tapping on clan, you will be able to see the clan that you have joined into. In order to leave a clan, go ahead and tap on member icon on the left-hand menu. Now, you will be able to see a door exit icon right next to your name on the right-hand corner. Tap on it and click on OK. In order to quit the clan, remember that you will not be able to join another clan for 24 hours after you quit from one. Once you tap on OK, you will then be able to exit or leave a clan on Call of Duty Mobile. Today, we are going to be helping you learn how to change your name on Call of Duty Mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you launch open the Call of Duty Mobile application on your mobile device. Once you're signed into one of your accounts, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, select Basic from the left-hand side corner. You will be able to see your profile information. Tap on the little pencil icon right next to your name and write down your new name you would like to change to. In order to change your name, you will need a rename card. Changing your name will cost you a rename card. So if you don't have a rename card, you can go ahead and purchase a rename card from the in-game store. Finally, after you are done entering your name, tap on Change, and that is how you can easily change your name in Call of Duty. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Call of Duty Mobile. Adding friends on Call of Duty Mobile is a straightforward process, so let's dive into the video. Open the Call of Duty Mobile and then navigate to the main homepage after logging in. Now, tap on the two human icon at the top right corner and this will take you to your friend tab. Tap on the Add Friends button at the bottom left and then you will be able to see a list of people you can add and send friend requests to. Simply tap on the yellow request button in order to send the friend request to the person. You can also enter your message for your new friend and tap on confirm. Once you do that, you will be able to send a friend request to a contact. After they accept your request, they will then be added as your friend on Call of Duty. You can also find friends from the Recent Game tab. All of the people that you've recently played games with will be listed on this page. Tap on the yellow icon on the right corner of each contact you want to add and you can then send your message and click on confirm in order to add them as your friend. If the person is not on Call of Duty, you can also invite them into the game. Select the friend request button at the top left and then click on invite. Select one of the social messaging platforms displayed on the screen such as WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, and more. Choose any one platform and then send the invitation to one of the contacts. Click on the contact's name and tap on next. Now, an invitation link will be pasted automatically inside your message box. After it is done, click on send at the top right, or the send button can be located anywhere within the page depending upon the messaging app that you've selected. Once they accept your link and join into Call of Duty, they can be able to be friends with you. So, these are the following steps you can take to easily connect with your friends and enjoy Call of Duty Mobile together. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Call of Duty Mobile application. Logging out of your Call of Duty Mobile account is easy. First of all, make sure that you open up your Call of Duty Mobile game on your device, and then from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings page from where you will need to scroll down the left-hand menu and tap on Legal and Privacy. Now, go to the bottom right and you should be able to see the Log Out button. Tap on Log Out and confirm that you want to log out by clicking on OK. And that way, you will be able to log out of your Call of Duty Mobile account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.